Actually, 2 years ago, many people messaged me asking when BYD would launch a full-size SUV. Now they have finally brought it out, and it has been carefully polished. I have a very high evaluation of this vehicle, and I really like it. Let's take a quick look at its unique features and what sets it apart in the crowded SUV market. Looking at the exterior design, this car adopts a very grand and imposing design style, aiming to appeal to consumers looking for a vehicle that makes a statement. For most brands, whether it's a gasoline or electric vehicle, the design has become quite homogeneous, lacking that bold identity that others strive for. Many vehicles feature similar headlight styles that may be visually appealing but can become monotonous over time. However, the N9 stands out boldly with its unique and intricate design elements. In addition to its striking design, the N9's interior has been meticulously crafted for both comfort and functionality. The spacious cabin offers an expansive legroom, accommodating taller passengers with ease. It also features advanced technology integration, including a state-of-the-art infotainment system that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This ensures seamless connectivity and entertainment options for drivers and passengers alike, making every journey enjoyable. Another noteworthy aspect of the N9 is the fuel efficiency it offers. Many consumers are concerned about over-reliance on charging stations and battery life. The N9, however, provides a commendable electric range that is amplified by its innovative regenerative braking technology, which converts kinetic energy back into stored energy while driving. This means longer travel distances between charges, thus appealing to road trippers and urban commuters alike. Now let's address some concerns surrounding the vehicle's weight, especially when compared to other models. For instance, the N9 weighs around 3.2 tons, with some attributing this weight to the advanced battery technology used. But the actual reason lies in its 3-motor setup and overall extensive build quality, which contributes to this weight, enhancing driving stability and safety. The structure ensures that passengers feel secure even on the roughest terrains. The N9 proves heavier does not necessarily hinder performance. Its powerful electric motor setup provides high torque, allowing acceleration from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. This impressive figure places it firmly in the performance SUV category. The driving experience is further enhanced with a low energy consumption rate, meaning it offers great mileage and efficiency without compromising power. Add to that its excellent braking capabilities, and you'll see how it sets a performance standard amongst its peers. Now let's highlight some of the N9's advanced technological features. The vehicle is equipped with several driver-assistive technologies like lane-keeping assistance, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. These features offer peace of mind to drivers, especially during long journeys. Moreover, it utilizes high-quality materials throughout the cabin, which not only increases durability but also enhances aesthetic appeal, making each ride feel refined and luxurious. When it comes to passenger comfort, the N9 does not disappoint either. It features plush seating with premium upholstery that truly elevates the travel experience. The second-row seats can even recline, allowing passengers to relax during their journey. The strategic placement of USB charging ports ensures that everyone can stay powered up, whether they are using devices for work or entertainment. Overall, this vehicle stands out through a compelling mix of robust aesthetics and spaciousness. The thoughtful integration of modern design, ample storage space, and the flexibility of second and third-row seating truly demonstrates the forward-thinking approach of BYD. This car also addresses the common concerns surrounding large vehicles related to maneuverability and parking. Its enhanced turning radius and responsive handling make it easy to navigate through tight city streets and crowded parking lots. The N9 also features an impressive sound system that integrates seamlessly with the infotainment setup, allowing passengers to enjoy high-quality audio while on the road. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or navigating with GPS directions, the sound clarity enhances your experience. This attention to detail in both sound quality and technology marks it as a standout choice for families and tech-savvy individuals. Finally, it's important to consider the price point of the N9. If it offers a competitive price that stands out from its rivals, it could achieve significant sales numbers. Factors like tax incentives for electric vehicles could further bolster its appeal to prospective buyers looking for a spacious, functional, and visually striking SUV that doesn't compromise on performance or efficiency. I'm genuinely excited to see how this model performs in the market.